Meaning of duty officer.
Duty officer.
Duty officer.
Duty officer.
Duty officer. A duty officer is a person responsible for overseeing a specific area or activity during a particular time period. This role often involves being on call to respond to any emergencies or issues that may arise. It is common in fields such as law enforcement, healthcare, and security. The duty officer typically has decision-making authority and may be required to coordinate with other individuals or departments as needed. Overall, the duty officer is responsible for ensuring that operations run smoothly and any problems are promptly addressed.